everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create stunning gold text in Canva. Let's get started. First, add your text to the Canva design. Type out the text you want to transform into gold. Go to the app section on the left sidebar. Search for Magic Morph and click on the app to open it. Enter a description like gold in the Magic Morph app. Click Magic Morph, and you'll see for gold text options. Choose your favorite style and apply it to your text. Once applied, delete the original text. Your gold text is now ready to use in your design, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.